Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Kathleen Reddington with your hedge fund headlines. Today is Wednesday, August 6, 2008. Venator Capital Management will launch a new long-short hedge fund emphasizing North American income-focused opportunities. According to HFMweek.com, the Venator Income Fund will focus on investing in dividend and interest-paying securities believed to be less volatile than the general market. It will target 8% to 12% annual returns with reduced volatility. The fund, which will kick off with 5 million Canadian dollars in assets, will charge a 1% management fee and a 10% performance fee over a 5% threshold. Brandon Austin is the portfolio manager. And staying with hedge fund news, BNP Paribas has hired 2 institutional securities veterans from Bank of America to grow its global hedge fund relationship management team in New York. Thomas Mahala will join Chris Lane as co-head of the hedge fund relationship management in the Americas. At Bank of America Securities, Mahala most recently was the managing director and head of the Capital Introduction Group, reports Market Media Online. Mahala previously worked at Bear Stearns as a senior relationship manager for hedge funds. And in more hedge fund news, Swedish investment fund Cevian Capital plans to buy shares in German carmaker Daimler. According to Agence France Presse, an unidentified fund manager reportedly said that Cevian, which also owns stock in the Swedish group Volvo, had bought packets of Daimler shares on Monday. Daimler shares shot up on rumors that a hedge fund was interested in the company. The shares have fallen by 42% in the past year, making Daimler stock attractive to investors. And in other hedge fund news, alternative investment news is reporting that the Blackstone Group will open an office in Beijing that will be run by Shan Fu. He will be the chief representative. Prior to joining Blackstone, Fu was vice president of Beijing Main Street's investment group. He has worked for China's National Development and Reform Commission, the State Economic and Trade Commission of China, the Office of Economic and Trade and State Council of China, and the Office of Production of the State Council of China. Blackstone's Greater China chairman Anthony Leung said, "We see tremendous opportunities both in China and to partner with Chinese companies outside of China." And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our hedge fund channel online, read the full stories and the latest developments.